Hey guys, it's Alec here from Build Nerd. In today's video, I graduate college and I 3D printed these interesting 2020 glasses. Let's check it out. Hey, so pretty weird time right now, but we should celebrate all the little victories we get, and graduating college is definitely one of those for me. And I wanted to celebrate it by printing something in relation to that. And these unique glasses, I guess, would qualify as that. I mean, 2020 has been, kind of a year. Now that you've seen these on my face and them functioning, let's check out the print in a bit more detail. This model was found on Thingiverse and printed some HT PLA from Protopasta. It's a great filament and I really enjoy it, and I'm definitely going to order more in the future. Overall, I'm really happy with the print. It came out really good. I just needed to do a little cleanup around the edges where I used a raft. For all the graduating seniors in the class of 2020, I wish you the best of luck. Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video and want to see more like it, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And until next time, build your nerddom.